Back on the local scene, today is decision day for Vybz Kartel and his co-accused. The Court of Appeal will hand down its decision on whether there should be a retrial in the murder case of Clive Lizard Williams. This comes months after the Privy Council quashed their conviction.
So hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is the day. Today is the day. Today is the day when we're gonna be hearing whether or not Vybz Kartel is gonna get a retrial or whether they're gonna set him free. So I think it's gonna be, I think it's two. If it's not two, it's half two. I think it's one of them time when the whole nation is gonna find out what is going on with this Vybz Kartel case. So later on, what time? UK time. So if it is two in Jamaica, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, wait, my brain a little bit slow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's gonna be about 7 o'clock, 7 to half 7. Yeah, that's when we're gonna hear whether or not Kartel will be out of prison or will be freed, I should say, and all charges drop. And yeah, so a lot of anticipation is in the dancehall fraternity. I'm thinking the tension in the music field, in the entertainment industry, the tensions are a little, I wouldn't say a little high, the tensions is big. You have, I think, to the way how I'm hearing it, it looks like it's about 50-50, because a lot of people is saying he is not going to be let out of jail, and then some people are saying he is, because DPP now go bother with no retrial, and there's no, because the evidence probably get corrupt and this, that. But you know what, the question I want to ask the DPP, why is it that this case, even if they should have a retrial, why is it so important about this case that can you imagine, hold on, stick up in, imagine all the rest of people who have been waiting years and years and years, because I know just Kartel, a whole heap of people there jail who wants their case to be heard. Yeah, because somebody who them get incarcerated the same time like Vybz Kartel in 2011, and in my prophecy innocence, and a lot of people go enough people that are jail and they say that they're innocent, but we don't know how that one goes. So we will see. Yeah, a lot of people in jail and they are innocent, or they claim that they're innocent and they would like to be going front the appeal court or whatever, but their cases are not being heard because of the backed up of the system. So what is it about the Kartel case that has to be pushed ahead? So I don't know. How are you doing, my dear? Are you enjoying the sunshine?
Having regard to all the considerations the court has taken into account, we conclude that the interests of justice do not require a new trial. The issue of what the court did find coming out of the issue of pretrial publicity is if the mechanisms have to be employed as the Crown had argued, that would add to the delay of the proceedings. As we have said, we have looked at all the other factors, but we find by now, having weighed everything in the balance, that the countervailing, the weight is against a new trial. Our judgment will explain everything in depth, but as we say, this is for the decision for you to understand what the court has done. Having regard to all the considerations taken into account, we conclude that the interests of justice do not require a new trial to be ordered for the appellants, and we therefore make the following order.